Ram ji, welcome to Legal Lens. In this video, we'll talk about the important current affairs of 2025. और ये वीडियो जो करंट अफेयर्स क्वेश्चन है ये एमसीक्यू फॉर्म में नहीं होंगे, ये वन लाइनर फॉर्म में होंगे सो दैट ये आपका टाइम बचे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा और लास्ट टाइम रिवीजन के लिए स्पेशली ये वीडियो है। और ये वीडियो कोई अभी रिसेंटली बीपीएससी आने वाला है उसके लिए हो, या हरियाणा एडीए आ रहा है, जुडिशियल सर्विस, railway examination or any form of examination, it is very beneficial for all the aspirants. तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगेगा तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल सो दैट मैं और नए ऐसे वीडियो लाऊं। दूसरा वीडियो मेरे लीगल करंट अफेयर्स पे आएगा और स्टैटिक जीके पे आएगा, ऐसे ही वीडियोस आते रहेंगे। सो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ताकि आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिले जल्द से जल्द। सो प्लीज़ this is my YouTube channel, here is the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. This complete PDF I'll share in the Telegram channel so you can get the complete PDF. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। So question 1 is which country signed a strategic partnership with India in August 2025? The answer is Philippines. Which valley in Uttarakhand witnessed the devastating cloudburst in August 2025? The answer is Uttarkashi. Which former governor passed away on 5th August 2025? His name is Satyapal Malik. Which state is under extended president's rule as on August 2025 is Manipur. What is the name of the jointly launched India-US satellite for climate monitoring? Is NISAR. Very important question. Which tiger reserve has the third highest tiger density in India? Third highest, not first. So the answer is Kaziranga. What is the base year for the RBI DPI index? The answer is 2018. Which country imposed a 25% tariff on Indian goods? Your answer is USA. Or on 27th, from 27th, that tariff percentage has increased to 50%. तो ये भी याद रखिएगा. Which country did India hold the 13th Joint Defence Cooperation Committee meeting with UAE? Which organization issued guidelines for live surgery broadcast? National Medical Commission. Which Indian state was the orchid Camegastrade? आप देख लीजिएगा, प्रोनाउंसिएशन में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है. Rhinichus discovered in? The answer is Mizoram. Which Indian state where the frogs Rorachestus jauga and Rochastus jacoid डिस्कवर्ड इन? द आंसर इज मेघालय. फ्रॉक्स का आंसर आएगा, तो आप देख सकते हैं क्योंकि ये प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट है. आपको जैसा अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज़, मैं इसका आंसर मेघालय होगा. विच जॉइंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइजेज इन्वॉल्व्स इंडिया एंड सिंगापुर इज बोल्ड कुरुक्षेत्र. हु डिड द यूएस साइन ए 15% tariff trade deal with European Union? What is the name of the upcoming cooperative-based taxi scheme in the recently launched National Cooperative Policy? The answer is Sarkar Taxi Scheme. Sarkar Taxi Scheme. Which country announced it would recognize Palestine at the United Nations in September 2025? The answer is France. Which agreement was signed between India and the United Kingdom to enhance trade? Is comprehensive economic and trade agreement. Which two countries were involved in broader clash on 24th July 2025? Is Thailand, Cambodia for temple. Which court declared climate harming government action illegal? International Court of Justice. Which country delivered Apache attack helicopter AH-64E to India? United States of America. Under which constitution article was the motion against Justice Verma acknowledged? Is Article 217. Which city recently achieved the highest reduction in the particular matter 10 micrometers level under National Clean Air Program? Is Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh. Which toxic algae species caused the marine disaster of South Australia? Is Carenia mikimoti. Which legendary English heavy metal singer known as the lead vocalist of Black Sabbath was declared dead at the age of 76 in July 2025? John Michael Ozzy Osbourne. Which real-time payment system processed over rupees 24 03 lakhs crore in 2000 in June 2025 is Unified Payments Interface. What is the name of India's dual stage malaria vaccine candidate? Is Adfalgivax. Which software did Microsoft warn was under zero-day attack? SharePoint server. On which river is China constructing a major dam project? They are constructing on Brahmaputra, which is called in their country as Yarlung Sangpo. What is the name of the newly discovered lichen species in Western Ghats? Is Allographa isosoridica. What is the name of anti-drug youth movement launched in July 2025 in Varanasi? Is Nasa Mukt Yuva for Viksit Bharat. What is the name of India's new long-term auto strategic launched in 2025? Automotive Mission Plan 2047. Which airport was recently integrated under Udan scheme? Is Durgapur. What is the name of black hole merger event detected in July 2025? GW 231123. Which international organization released the Sustainable Development Goals Report 2025? Is United Nations. What is the renewable energy arm of NTPC that received clearance for rupees 20,000 crore investment? Is NTPC Green Energy Limited. Which river basin is at the center of Telangana Andhra Pradesh water dispute? Is Krishna River. Which scheme recently approved by the Union Cabinet merges 36 agriculture related schemes across multiple ministries? Prime Minister Dhan Dhyan Krishi Yojana. In which country did the Reykjanes Peninsula volcano erupt recently? Iceland. What is the theme of a newly launched National Young Chief competition? Is celebrating India culinary heritage, blending tradition with innovation. Which organizer released the 2023-24 sustainability report highlighting reduction of greenhouse emission intensity? Is National Highways Authority of India, NHAI. Who became the first Indian to visit the International Space Station? Is Shubhanshu Shukla. Which aircraft will be powered by GE F404 engine recently delivered to India? Is लाइट कॉम्बैट एयरक्राफ्ट तेजस इंडिया में ये बन रहा है और जी जनरल इलेक्ट्रिक ये दिस इज़ एन यूएस कंपनी जो इंजन डेवलप करके इंडिया को डिलीवर करेगी. विच मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज डिड इंडिया ज्वाइन अलॉन्ग विद 18 अदर नेशन इन जुलाई 2025? इज तलिस्मा साब्रे. Who won the Wimbledon 2025 women's single title with a double bangle? Is Iga Swiatek. Which country is hosting the Talisman Sabre 2025 military drill? The answer is Australia. What is the name of the operation launched by the Indian Army for Amarnath Yatra 2025? Is Operation Shiva. Who was recently appointed as the new chairperson of the National Medical Commission? Is Abhijit Seth. Which organizer released the report titled The Weight of Time, United Nations Environment Programme? Which day is observed globally on 11th July every year? World Population Day. Which declaration did France and Britain sign to enhance nuclear cooperation? Is Northwood Declaration. Which Indian city will host the first global manuscript conference in New Delhi? Which ministry released the white paper on quantum cyber readiness, military of electronics and information technology? Which United States-based trading firm was recently barred by the Securities and Exchange Board of India? SEBI. Is Jan Street. Which district in Mizoram ranked highest in the Sustainability Development Gold Index? Is this is the district in Mizoram which is called as Hanathila. Which extinct flying reptile was recently discovered in Arizona? Is Ethopradeclus. यार प्रोनाउंसिएशन आप देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है. Which country signed 6 strategic agreements with India on 8th of July 2025? The answer is Brazil. What is the name of Indian Navy's new driving support vessel is INS Nistar? Which organization launched the 3 by 35 Health Tax Initiative (WHO)? According to the recent NSO report, nutritional intake in India, which macronutrients saw declining intake from cereals, is protein. What is the name of the scheme launched by ESIC to boost registration in 2025? Is a scheme for promotion of registration of employers and employees. Who was recently conferred Ghana's highest civilian award is India Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which state became the third in India to cross 1 crore stock market investors? Gujarat. What is the India's total commitment to Bhutan's 13th 5 years plan is 10,000 crore rupees. Which organization made its first biotech investment in Portal Biotech is North Atlantic Treaty Organization, that is NATO. What is the cruising passenger target by 2029 under Sagarmala? 1 million. Cruise passenger target. Which bureau sets emission benchmark under the greenhouse gas rules is Bureau of Energy Efficiency. How many Indian languages must Bhasu Setu to support at minimum? 12. What is the name of the foundation that is expected to oversee the process of identifying the next Dalai Lama? Is Garden Prodrang. Very important question. What is the name of the large-scale storage scheme being reviewed during the Manthan Baitak on Cooperation, world's largest green storage scheme in the cooperative sector? Who has been appointed as a new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing, that is RAW, with effect from July 1st, 2025 is Parag Jain. Which regulatory authority issued notice to 89 educational institutions for failing to comply with the anti-regulation is UGC? Which government body developed the Government of India's Statistics mobile application is National Sample Survey Office? Which coalfield region of India is addressed under the revised master plan is Jharia? Which Indian woman astronaut will join the Titan space mission in 2029? Janvi Dangeti. Which United States astronaut holds the record for most days in space? Peggy Whiston. Where was the 13th India's Vietnam political consultation and 10th strategic dialogue held? That is New Delhi. Which organization released the Future Front report on data quality? Is National Institution for Transforming India. Which Indian agency will conduct its first household income survey in 2026? That is Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Which ministry co-launched the Navya scheme alongside the Ministry of Skill Development and Ministry of Women and Child Development? What is the India's rank in 2025 Sustainable Development Goal Index is 99th. Which country broke the ceasefire between Israel and Iran is US. Which Indian leader is commemorated on Balidan Divas? Syama Prasad Mukherjee. What is the ocean current system whose collapse may lead to freezing European winters and Atlantic meridional overturning circulation? Which government agency developed the time release studies Central Board of Indirect Tax and Custom? Which international treaty is Finland withdrawing from? Is Ottawa Convention. Which global maritime choke point handles 20% of the world's oil export is Strait of Hormuz? What is the name of Indian animation film that won the jury's award at Annecy International Animation Festival 2025 is Desi On? What is the maximum number of trips followed under the new FASTag based annual toll pass is 200. Which ancient language first printed grammar did Prime Minister Modi receive a reprint of during his visit to Croatia? Sanskrit. What is the name of the campaign relaunched by the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare for the Rabi season in 2025 is Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan. What is the name of the evacuation mission launched by the India to bring citizens back from Iran and Middle East? Aimed Middle East tension is Operation Sindhu. What types of cosmic signals were used to locate the universe's missing ordinary matter is fast radio burst. What is the name of the campaign launched by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to empower tribal communities in June 2025? धरती बाबू जन भागीदारी अभियान. What is the name of the cyber security exercise launched by Defense Cyber Agency in June 2025? Cyber Suraksha. In which Indian state was the 24 million year old Nothopegia fossil discovered? Is Assam. What is the name of the first anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft recently commissioned by the Indian Navy's INS Arnala? What is the theme of Yoga Connect 2025? Yoga for One Earth, One Health. Which artificial intelligence model power the chatbot introduced at the AgriStack conferences? Google Gemini. What is the name of the postal service launched by the Indian Post for book deliveries? Gyan Post. Which country ranked first in the Global Gender Gap Report 2025 is Iceland? What is the codename of Israel's military operation in Iran is Rising Lion? Which Indian education regulatory body issued notice to 89 institutions over anti-ragging violation UGC? Which Indian employment guarantee scheme has been brought under the spending cap in financial year 2026 is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? Which international financial institution released the Global Economic Prospectus report in June 2025 is World Bank? Which marine species group has 43.5% of its stock unsustainably fished as per the Food and Agriculture Organization report is SARCS? Which country hosted the third United Nations Ocean Conference where the 2025 Food and Agriculture Organization Fisheries report was released? That is France. Which two countries jointly launched the Blue Nationally Determined Contribution challenging at the third United Nations Ocean Conference? France and Brazil. On which date was Sant Kabir Das Jayanti observed in 2025 is 11th June? What is the name of the national wide feedback initiative launched via the Namo app to mark Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 11th year in office? Jan Man survey. What key economic indicator will now include free of cost goods based on custom valuation as per the amendment to Rule 53 of the Special Economic Zones rules, that is net foreign exchange. According to the recent study by the Labour Ministry affiliated by VV Giri National Labour Institute, what is the project size of India's gig workforce by the year 2047? ये गलत है 124 2047 that will be 62 million. What kind of insect is Ballestura fitcoides which has been recently rediscovered is springtail. What is the name of new flatworm species discovered in Pune is Dugesia punesis. What type of computing logic is used in China's non-binary artificial intelligence chip? Hybrid stochastic number. Which organization released the Global Energy Investment Report 2025 is International Energy Agency IEA. Which international corridor was highlighted for boosting India's Central Asia connectivity is International North-South Transport Corridor. According to the World Bank report, which Indian states contributed most to national poverty reduction is Uttar Pradesh. Which organization recently co-authored two unregulated assessment with the National Tiger Conservation Authority, that is Wildlife Institute of India? What is the name of portal launched for WAF property reforms is Unified WAF Management Empowerment, Efficiency and Development? Where will Rafale fuselage manufacturing take place in India is Hyderabad. What is the revised repo rate set by the RBI after its June 2025 policy update is 5.5. Which ministry published the InvestStats India 2025 Environment Statics Report? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation. Which global body released the 2025 Global Education Monitoring Report highlighting gender gaps in education is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Which Central Asian country signed a renewed investment treaty with India in June 2025 is Kyrgyzstan. Which ancient civilization is believed to have emerged after the prehistoric settlement found in Kutch, this Harappan? Which international council was India elected to for 2026-28 United Nations Economic and Social Council UNESC? Which wetland in Rajasthan was recently included in India's list of Ramsar sites? Kichan. Kichan. Which schedule of the Constitution are Ladakh resident demanding inclusion is 6th schedule? What is the minimum residence requirement in the year for Ladakh domicile status? 15 years. Who was elected president of South Korea in June 2025 is Lee Jae-myung. Which country partnered with India to build its first polar research vessel is Norway? Which European country did India defeat to win the International Institute of Administrative Science presidency is Austria? Which two institutions signed a memorandum of understanding to set up Center of Excellence for AI in Healthcare is All India Institute of Medical Science AIMS? Which country has developed a plastic that dissolves in seawater within hours, that is Japan? What is the name of multimodal large language model launched by India is Bharat Gen? Which country's president visited India to enhance ties on June 2nd, 2025? Paraguay. Which country is assisting India in turning its island into smart island is Japan? Which portal was launched to report Ayush drug reaction and misleading ads is Ayush Suraksha portal? How many GPUs does India's national AI infrastructure now include is 34,000. Which PSU is involved in optical electronics among the three awarded Mini Ratna statuses? India Optel Limited. Which country is partnering with India in a nomadic elephant exercises? Mongolia. What is the name of China's future mission to Jupiter is Tianwen 4. Which organization scientists are involved in the Lab to Land initiative is India Council of Agriculture Research? What is the traditional tool used to probe electrons dispersion in materials is angle resolved photoemission space spectroscopy? Which country was the top source of India's FDI in financial year 2025 and 24-25? Singapore. What is the name of new India US framework for military commerce and tech is India US Compact? Who received the Padma Vibhushan in public affairs in 2025 is Jagdish Singh Kherkar. What is the name of India's next generation combat aircraft program is Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft Program? Which organization recently released the Animal Health Report, World Organization for Animal Health? Which country has India overtaken to become the world's fourth largest economy is Japan? What is the name of the massive early universe spiral galaxy discovered in May 2025 is JO107A? Which country agreed to transfer sovereignty to the Chagos Island in May 2025 is United Kingdom. Which country hosted the 2025 BRICS Trade Ministers meeting is Brazil? Which missile defense project was launched by the US in 2025 is Golden Dome? Which app is meant for the real-time warehouse monitoring in India's food system is Depot Darpan? Which Indian state is piloting the E0FI system is Delhi. Which Indian mission is being inspected by 100 nodal officer teams is Jal Jeevan Mission. Which country was awarded WHO certificate for eliminating trachoma as a public health problem is India. What is the name of IIT's Delhi's STEAM mentorship program for girls is Mansvi. Which state assembly made the most days in 2024 according to PRS is Odisha. Which article of Constitution did the Supreme Court cite while striking down post facto clearances is Article 21. Which twin spacecraft mapped the moon's gravity field under NASA's Grail mission is EBB. What is the name of satellite carried by PSLV 6C61 EOS-09? Which organization developed a new membrane for seawater desalination is Defense Research and Development Organization. What is the name of revised employment survey released in May 2025 is Periodic Labor Force Survey. Which Latin American country signed the Belt and Road Initiative Agreement with China is Colombia. Which two regions are collaborating on marine pollution and green hydrogen research is India and European Union. Which two main factors are driving India's economic growth according to the UN report is private consumption and public investment. In which Indian state with the sixth semiconductor plant approved in May 2025 is Uttar Pradesh. What is the minimum number of years of practice required for eligibility of senior workers 10 years? What is the new maternal mortality ratio? What is the new maternal mortality ratio for 2019-21 in India is 93 per lakh live birth. Which two countries signed a 142 billion defense deal in May 2025 is United States and Saudi Arabia. Which organization recently released the global report on international displacement in May 2025 is Internal Displacement Monitoring Center. On which date will Ayurveda Day now be celebrated annually is 23rd September. Who became the first Buddhist Chief Minister of India is B.R. Gavi. Bhushan Ramakrishnan Gavi. Who was appointed as chairman of UPSC in May 2025 is Ajay Kumar. Which country launched the first commercial e-methanol plant is Denmark. Who won 2025 World Food Prizes? Mariangela, Hungary. What is the name of revised policy approved by the cabinet for coal linkages is scheme for harnessing and allocating transparently in India. Who was appointed India's nominee director to IMF in May 2025 Parameshwar Iyer. In which state was northeastern India's first geothermal well drilled is Arunachal Pradesh. Who announced retirement from the Test cricket on 7th May 2025 is Rohit Sharma. Who released a new framework for regulatory transparency and participation in Reserve Bank of India. Which country placed stronger defense ties with India on 5th May 2025 is Japan. What is the proposed name of a new AVGC XR Institute in Mumbai is Indian Institute of Creative Technology. What type of undersea weapon did the Indian Navy and DRDO successfully test its multi-influence ground mine that is MIGM. Which authority released the new benefit sharing regulation in April 2025 is National Biodiversity Authority. Which relics did India prevent from being auctioned by Southboy Hong Kong? Pipirawa. What declaration adopted during the Global Media Dialogue focuses on promoting media integrity and ethical use of AI in media content is Webb's declaration. Who was appointed as the new Secretary of the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance in May 2025 is Arvind Srivastava. What is the name of new portal and mobile app introduced by the government to ensure real-time monitoring of food storage? Depot is Depot Darpan. Where was the rare 7th century inscription for the region of Vikramaditya I discovered? Providing insights into ancient landholding patterns is Devangiri. Which two nations signed a renewed MOU to advance clean energy cooperation, including power system modeling and EV infrastructure, is India and Denmark. Which countries signed a deal with India to supply Rafale marine फाइटर एयरक्राफ्ट फ्रांस? मतलब जैसे रफाल लैंड पे है ऐसे मेरीन के लिए भी, नेवी के लिए भी है, तो वो फ्रांस है. व्हाट इज द मिनिमम पीक हाइट climber must scale to get an Everest permit under Nepal's draft law is 7,000 meter. What is the new RBI mandate domain extension for Indian banks is bank.in. Which country hosted 11th BRICS Labor and Employment Ministry meeting is Brazil. What card was launched for senior citizens in Delhi, providing them free health coverage up to 5 lakhs is Ayushman Vay Bandhana card. Who passed away at the age of 78 and was a former Vice Chief of Army Staff and Colonel Commandant of Bombay Sappers is Lieutenant General S. Pattabhiraman. Which institute recently signed MOU with 8 prominent organizations to strengthen the Digital India's initiative is National Institute of Electronics Information Technologies. The answer is National Institute of Electronic and Information Technology. How many people were lifted above extreme poverty in India according to the World Bank report? The answer is 17th crore. 202. Who was authorized to share and receive information with the Enforcement Direct, that is ED, under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act to combat cyber fraud? Answer is Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. 14C. Which Indian naval ship test fired a medium range surface to air missile? Indian naval ship Surat. What country hosts compounds where trafficked workers are exploited by cybercrime gangs? What in which country hosts compound where trafficked? The answer is Myanmar. What is the measles vaccine covered percentage for the first dose as of 2025 is 93.7%. What is the material used in the new cholesterol sensor developed by the Institute of Advanced Study in Science and Technology, IASST? Silk fiber. What is the name of the spacecraft launched by China carrying 3 astronauts? Is Shenzhou 20. What is the name of new digital health platform by the central government health scheme is Health Management Information System? What geophysical feature is the Davis Strait located beneath, that is ocean? What types of industries are suspected to be polluting the Taj Mahal? Glass. Which regional visa exemption schemes was cancelled for Pakistan National? South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Which border crossing was ordered to shut down by India? Atari border. Which pole vaulter won the World Sportsman of the Year award at the Lawrence 2025 is Armand Duplantis. Who received the Sporting Icon Award at the 2025 Lawrence World Sports Award? Rafael Nadal. What is the current snow persistence in the Hindu Kush Himalaya? 23.6%. What new rate was added to the liquidity coverage ratio for retails and small business deposit? 2.5%. What duty did India impose on steel imports? That is 12%. Which organization signed the MOU with RBI for tackling financial crime? Financial Intelligence Unit India. What is the name of new index launched by BSE in April 2025 is BSE 150. Which variety of pomegranate was sent to the USA in India's first sea shipment? Bhagwa. In which city is exercise desert flag 10 taking place? Dhafra, UAE. Which metal alloy has ISRO used to replace columbium in the PSLV's fourth stage nozzle satellite? In which city was GTEx Africa 2020 held? Marrakesh. What is the official headquarters of the International Big Cat Alliance in India? International Big Cat Alliance. Which act mandates the verification of radar speed guns? नंबर कहाँ से आ गया? Legal Metrology Act. Which mineral did Curiosity rover discovered on Mars? Siderite. Which Indian texts were added to UNESCO's Memory of World Registers? Bhagavad Gita and Natya Shastra. Who has been recommended as the next Chief Justice of India? Justice V.R. Gavai. ये नंबर कहाँ से आ गया यार? On which day did India observe World Heritage Day in 2025 is 18th April. Which Indian hospital was ranked 97th in the world's best hospital 2024 list by Newsweek and Statista, that is AIMS? Which body official recognized type 5 diabetes as a distinct form of the disease? International Diabetes Federation. Where did the constructive nuclear talks between Iran and the USA take place? Oman. Who is being honored on their 134th birthday anniversary on 14th April? B.R. Ambedkar. Where did the Global Justice, Love and Peace Summit take place? Expo City, Dubai. What is the purpose of the Scheduled Caste Categorization of Reservation Act implemented in Telangana? Balance access to reservation benefits. Which government body introduced the draft rules for gas meters in India? Department of Consumer Affairs. What is a new repo rate set by RBI as of 19th April 2025? 6%. Which Indian organization introduced Aadhaar based face authentication for UN activation? Employees Provident Fund Organization, EPFO. How many days traffic pause did the United States announce for non-retaliatory countries? 90 days. What is the theme of 9th Global Technology Summit 2025? Sambhavna. What is the name of tri-service HADR exercise conducted by India and United States? Tiger Trump 2025. Who received the key to the city of Lisbon? India's President Draupadi Murmu. The Supreme Court on which two countries signed a judicial cooperation MOU recently? India and Nepal. Which report was released highlighting cyber threats in BFSI sector? Digital Threat Report 2025. Which professional fields are excluded from the new foreign degree equivalence rule? Medicine, pharmacy, nursing, law and architecture. Which global body recently acknowledged the link between the plastic pollution, ocean protection, and human rights is United Nations Human Rights Council, UNHRC. On which date is the World Health Day observed annually? 7th April. Which civil aircraft in India is set to manufacture indigenously for the first time is Hansa 3 NG. Which forest area did the Supreme Court order to be surveyed for encroachment? Agastya Malai. How many agreements did India and Thailand sign during PM Modi's visit? 6. So lastly, thank you, and if you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. ये अभी complete 250 questions will come in the first video, one liner. Thereafter more 200 questions will be coming, और इसमें कुछ लीगल करंट अफेयर्स भी ऐड करूँगा, वो बाद में वो अलग वीडियो होगा. तो प्लीज़ अगर आपको अच्छा लगा वीडियो तो प्लीज़ डू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू.